Yep. I should be streaming now. How's everybody going? How's everybody doing today? Okay, we're about to get this show on the road real quick. Okay, so see, look, checking if we have any news. Okay, we had news over here. Got some PMIs, Canadian PMI. Okay, all right, we should be all right. Okay, let's see. Make sure we're good. Everything's good over here, man. Let's make sure. Boom, boom. All right, so I think we're good. All right, so let's get this show on the road. Listen, I'm here to help you, just beginners, anybody really, just kind of read price action, everything else. So, okay, so we're starting today. We're starting a little late. We got 5 minutes until open. So I'll clean my charts before I start. So now we're on the daily chart. We're gonna start the daily chart right here. Okay, so right now I'm gonna mark out previous day high, not necessarily the previous day here, just the previous day where we ain't took it out yet. So we haven't took this out yet. We took this one out. We ain't took this one out. We're gonna mark this one. That's gonna be our previous day high. Our previous day low, which I don't think we can get to, is right here. Okay, we're just gonna mark that. Previous day low. I also like to mark out the opening, especially because we ain't got no wick right there, so we might go down a little bit. We're no telling, or just the momentum's so strong right now. That's the opening price because we opened there. Okay, so I marked those out. Kind of get a good look about what are we doing here, what are we respecting, what PD arrays are we respecting right now, and it just looks like we're gonna take that out. Okay, I'm also gonna mark, since we're so close, this as liquidity and this as liquidity. Okay, liquidity. Okay, so really that's gonna be boom. Let's do that. Let's do all-time highs. Okay, this was all-time highs right there. We're gonna keep that in mind so we can have that there, if in case we want to go there. We'll know that we're at all-time highs there. Okay, so anyways, daily 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. See what's going on there. Okay, so I see this. So we're kind of coming down here. Took that out. All this is low resistance. There's a little gap here. We should be able to clear that once we got that. There's hardly any gaps except for previous day high lined up with this little fair value gap here, right there. So that's the only thing that might be able to stop it. But it might stop it for a little bit and then keep going. Either way, I mean, we don't have any resistance once we pass this up to make it to previous day high. Okay, so that's that part right there. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour right here. 1 hour. Let's see what we got over here. We've been shooting up. We've just been shooting up, man. So let's just see if we got anything over here going on. We're just gonna look to the left. Okay, that's all we're doing. Looking to the left. See what we got here. So what I do see is this right here, little fair value gap that we haven't passed up. We closed it, we just ain't passed it up yet. We're gonna mark that. I have different colors for every time frame. It's 1 hour. Okay, since I don't have to drag the whole thing over there, I'm just gonna extend it to the right there. We also got that one, previous day high. So we just gotta keep that in mind, that previous day high right here is kind of lined up with the 1 hour fair value gap, 4 hour fair gap. So that's a good little draw right there. That's a good draw. We could even say equal highs, yeah, because this one's equal. You can see that. That one, and that one's pretty much freaking equal. I mean, so that's a good draw right there. That's a really good draw right there. Really good place you can go. So that's 1 hour. We really don't have anything else. I mean, we're gonna have that before that for very gap. We got a good gap right there. just mark that just because there's a little gap there. Okay, so let me see here. One more thing. Let me just check something out. Okay, so we got some. Okay. Let's see what happens, man. But we are in premium. I mean, we are in premium. I'm gonna do one thing real quick. Let's just see. I'm gonna get a fib from up here, up there to down here. See where we're at. Yeah, we don't pass that thing up. Yeah, man, we're gonna take that thing out. Once we pass 0.79, it's usually of a range. It usually means that we're gonna just keep freaking grinding up. I mean, don't mean we're gonna come back. It might not retrace. It just means that we're expected this before we even come back down here. This is what I'm expecting from just what I've seen. We just tap that 1 hour. Already been tapped it, but yeah, we're here. We're there. We are there. Okay, so could it be a retracement? Could be. I mean, into equilibrium of the range here. I mean, somewhere around here, somewhere around there, whatever. There's a little gap that we had. I mean, from opening. So let's see here. Now we got, so now let's go to the 15-minute. See what we got there. Okay, now we got a little bit more. I mean, so we got this little fair value up there, little 15-minute taking off on us real quick. Market doesn't open, but we're patient. We're not really worried about it. We'll get our chance to see right here. I'm a little late because I was trying to set this up. Last video I did, you could hardly hear me, so I was trying to make it work, trying to figure it out. So they got 15 minutes right here. We'll see how that acts there. I'm also gonna mark out midnight open right here. Open right there, so midnight open. So mark that up. Where's that at? Midnight open. Okay, midnight open. Also gonna mark out. Make sure we got an equilibrium, equal highs. We have them equal highs up there. We got an equal highs down here. No, we do not. That I could tell. Nothing here. We're just grinding up, man. We're just grinding up. So, anyways, the news. We don't have any news. I got a checklist over here that I look at every morning just in case I forget anything. I just go down the checklist and make sure I get everything that I want, all the information I want. So my checklist says midnight open, opening price, London high and low. Okay, so let's go do London high and low right now. I got this right here, London high, boom. So we took out London high and we took out London low, and then we freaking grind it up. Okay, so the business has been done here. I mean, we already took out one side, another side. So we're not really worried about that right now. The only thing we did not take out was Asia low. So I guess we could take this mark Asia low, just to have it, because we want to go down there. Asia low. And that's it for right now. We could do this. We got this big gap here. This is the settlement, right? There's a settlement. Get that. Take the text out. It's already in the way. Block another thing. Just get a yellow line around that settlement. Get a fib from the opening price today to the closing price. Okay. Get a fib. I want the quarter increments, 0.25s. I mean right there, and see if we go down to 50% of that. Okay. I come down here. Regular trading hours, it shows me that right when it opens. Okay. And we just want to see if it comes back there. So we'll go back to electronic trading hours. Now we got the settlement. Where's that? We got the 50% of that. Just to see what's up, see if it wants to or not. See how it acts. I mean, we're just patient, man. Patience is the thing. Just chill out, relax, let it come to you. There's nothing going on right now. Let some price action form. If it wants to come back and do some stuff and then come back up, we might take it. We're just chilling. I mean, we're just gonna see what happens. So 5 minute here. We got a 5 minute, boom, right there. Mark that out. See what happens. We did go past that 5 minute there. We'll just see what happens at this 5 minutes. 15 minute. Now we're gonna put this one on the left here. We're gonna make that a 1 minute. And we're gonna see what's going on. Okay. I'm expecting it could come down to 50% of that settlement. You mean it could come down to 50% of that. We'll see what happens. Because right now, forget the dang settlement. I mean, I really want to see price action. And right now, price action showing like it wants to bounce. 15 minute right there, and then just the momentum, the strength of it. Doesn't mean it can't come down here. Doesn't mean it can't come down there. Just we're not trying to guess. We're just trying to let the market tell us what it's going to do. And if it's nothing clear, then we relax and chill. I mean, so if we do A+ setups and only crystal clear setups, then you can quit your job. If you over here and trying to make things happen, be this make things happen thing, it's like this. It's not what you're doing trading. You let it come to you in trading, man. You let it come to you. Let it come to you. There's not no chasing anything. You mean it just comes back to bite you every time. So just relax, chill. Got plenty of time. The market is not gonna let us trade. The whole time you have to imagine it's kind of tempting you and kind of saying, "Hey, come on, don't miss it, don't miss it." And you have to be like, "Man, like I'm sitting back and I'm relaxing. You're not gonna force me to do anything. If you want to go, then go. If you want to go down, go down. Want to go up, whatever. But when I see my move, I'm gonna strike." Okay. If you haven't seen leopards in the wild and how they hunt, so what they do is chill on the branch. They chill on the branch and they wait, go to sleep, whatever. They hear some stuff going on. They're up in the tree. The deer don't know they're up in the tree. The elk don't know they're up in the tree until they start walking too dang close to the elk, to the jaguar or the leopard. And so it's waiting there. It's waiting in the tree. You hear something. Okay, I hear something, which is us. We hear something. We see something in the charts. We don't get it yet until it gets real close. Until it gets real close to us, crystal clear. And right when it comes under that tree, it freaking jumps out of that thing and got some. It's not over here chasing. It strikes when it gets close. It lets them the prey get close, and we strike. Okay, that's what we do. So that's how we got to do it. Anyways, most of the time it's gonna be waiting. Okay, most of the time we're gonna be waiting here. See how it acts at this 5 minute, this 15 minute. Keep checking out that 1 hour. Looking good. Just bouncing off that thing. Got a little order block here. Four hours. Let's see. 4 hours. What's going on in the 4 hour? Boom, boom. Let's see. Yeah, man, we're chilling, dude. We're chilling. Yeah, it's like, man, if there's ever a day not to trade, look at this crap right here. There's not one fair value gap here. There's not one fair value gap. That don't tell you anything. There's a little fair value gap there. That don't tell you something. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all this right here, dude. That should be enough reason to tell you, yeah, don't freaking do it. You mean, do not. When it goes up, look at what it does. You mean, like, it's not, look at this. No fair value gaps. Fair value gaps will kind of, they let you know. We're trying to do it. When you see this wick right here, boom, like that, kind of, it's like, man, somebody could have went short, whatever, and it's like just wicking people out. And they would have been right, but it's just wicking you out. Have your stop right here, whatever it is, right here. So that kind of stuff right there, like this wicks, pop, 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 pop. It's like, man, just relax. Take it easy. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's all we're doing here. Hope everybody's doing all right, man. God bless everybody here. And let's get it. Let's get it. I'm going to be trading on Apex and Top Step. Apex is going to be on this chart right here. My Top Step's going to be on my other little monitor over here that you cannot see. And I got a eval. I'm passing. I'm at 52,411 right now. About to pass that one. Let's see if you can see right here. About to pass that one right here. So 52411.62. About to pass that one. And I got a XFA2 that I'm doing. So But yeah, and then we just started this Apex one here, and yeah, so we're gonna see what's up, man. See if we get any trades today. Remember, if you deviate today, you will deviate tomorrow. Okay, so let's not deviate. The most mad I get about trades is the ones I knew I shouldn't have done in the first place. Okay, so let's not stir anything up. Okay, so this is fair value gap there. Is there anything? There's nothing yet. You mean there's nothing yet? There's nothing yet. Let's see something. So anything, if anything, man, let's just see. That's 5 minutes. This is what, 15? That's 4 hours. Make that 15-minute real quick. Okay, let's just look at something. I like ranges. So if you see a range kind of like this, like up and down, you mean like a swing taking out some lows, boom, and it's taking out highs, boom, and the swing points. I like to measure that stuff. Okay, I like to measure that stuff to see what's up. So we'll go right there. Okay. So this is the 50% range right here, which lines up with this 15-minute. So if you're expecting a bounce or expecting to go long, then it'd be over here in this area. It'd be optimal. Optimal doesn't mean we can't take it now. Doesn't mean we can't do anything now. It's just optimal. I mean, so just good. Just something to look at. I mean, look at the ranges. That's a little range right there. I mean, because we had all these right here. Boom, 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 boom. We took that out. Boom, we went up. Now we came down. That range. Looking at the midpoint, looking at the OTE, which is 0.705, 0.62, 0.79. So let's see here. Let's see, boom. OTE, so that would be here. So 0.705, 0.79 if it came down here. If it comes to 0.79, man, and it closes past there, on a higher time frame, lower time frame doesn't matter as much, on 5, 15, 1 hour, all that, then I'm expecting to take that thing out. You mean if it closes past this area, doesn't mean you can't wick right here, whatever. But if it closes past it, I'm expecting it to go all the way with it. But right here is a good bounce area. Here's an optimal. OTE is optimal trade entry. So see the expansion? That's a good little thing right there. It looked like it touched that little 15 right there too. Nope, not quite. Not quite. Let's see here. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get something right here, man. Man, I love for creative for rare gap, but just I don't like these wicks and stuff, man. I'm gonna check out ES, see what it does. See what it's doing on the 15-minute. So looks like we're holding a 15-minute fair value up on the ES. Yeah, looks like we're holding a 15-minute fair value up on the ES. What else we got going on here on the ES? Yeah, that's it, man. Looks like we're holding it. See what the 1 minute look like on the ES. Yeah, it looks freaking crazy too, dude. Man. Heck yeah. It looks crazy. Look at this. Look at that. Let's see here, man. What do we got here? Let's see. Boom, boom. 15. 845. We're gonna take that out. That would have been a what you call it there, but that ain't it. So this is the change of state of delivery on this little low time frame, 1 minute, whatever, right here. We're gonna see right here. We're gonna see right here, right there to right there, boom. 5 minute, okay. So this one, once we go past it both ways, it's like, man, I'm done. Forget that. We went past this way. If we close above it, then this freaking fair value gap doesn't matter. I mean, so What do you even change state of delivery right here? So before I get in any trade, I like to measure, just kind of it'll let you know like how much you want to get into. Look at this fair value gap here. Doesn't look too crazy to the truth, but not gonna touch it though. Demon change state of delivery. Yeah, every trade I do, it has to change the state, have a change the state of delivery on the lower time frame, like this. Boom, boom. It takes the last up close candle down. Boom. Has to take that out first. I like this though. Doesn't look too bad to go up, to be honest with you. I like this right here. I like this right here. I like this right here. If it closes up there, let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. It has to close up here, and then the entry will be here. Close, come up, come back to this. Stop loss below this breaker here, below this green candle right there. That's where my stop loss would be. So we closed above it, not too much though. So I don't like that. I don't like that too much. Okay. So we're not gonna take it. Doesn't mean it can't work. We ain't gonna take it. Because the price action right now we can tell is junky. So yeah. Good thing we didn't take it. I mean, look at this, boom, boom. That we passed it up, and we freaking came down and passed that freaking thing up. So this right here is looking ridiculous. Right there. Shoot. Let's see what's going on here, man. We'll see what happens, man. Close past that. Can we go down? Can we go down? That is the question. Was this all just to come back and come back to this little, whatever you want to call this? I mean, whatever you want to call that. Just came down, come back up, boom, hit that to come back down, or how's that work? How are we doing that? Let's see here. Yeah, it's crazy price action right now, man. Like when it does this kind of stuff, it's the best is to relax. I mean, relax and chill out. You start getting in this, it'll chop you up, and you're gonna look like you don't know what you're doing. Even though maybe you know what you're doing, it's just, man, when you do this kind of stuff, it looks like you don't know what the heck you're doing. When you start doing this stuff, because nothing's being respected here. There's no good price action. Nothing's being respected as much as it should be. And there's no follow through with it. Or anything like that. You understand what I'm saying? So, best to just relax. Sit on your hands. It's like, this is mostly what trading is. It's just relaxing, dude. That's it. That's mostly what it is. Let's see what happens. Because we done inverted this 5 minute. I thought we were going to close below it. If we were to close below it, then we'd take that fair value gap out. Wouldn't use it anymore. But if we close up here, we'd keep it. Because it'll still be an inversion. If the inversion comes back, tap it, goes. Okay. If it's inversion, comes back, closes below it again, that's it's nothing. You mean so yeah, we're chilling, man. We're chilling. I don't know if anybody's watching this, but if anybody's watching this, man, please leave a comment or something. I just started doing these videos, trying to help people out. Just trying to probably do these videos for my wife, do these videos for my son. So when he gets old enough, he could kind of learn how to trade. And do these videos for me, kind of review of like what I did wrong, what I did right. So if you can, leave a comment, a like, whatever. Just let me know you're watching, and if you're learning anything. So let's take this. Where's that at? Let's take that out. Okay. So it came back 0.75 of that OTE, not the OTE, the settlement. I mean, so maybe that's as much as we're gonna get. Maybe that's it right there. That one's done. Look at this, man. Look at that fair value gap. That's the only one, dude. Look at this. That's the only fair value gap right there. And it got chopped up. That's crazy. So today's a good day to learn about what is not good. When's a good day not to trade? Or when's a good time not to trade? When there's little fair value gaps like this, I get respected, whatever, came back, closed below it. Okay, looks like we're about to drop or something maybe. Big old wicks, but when we just come back, it's like, what the flip? And this right here, at least we're like closing up here. That's good. Let us know that we're kind of bullish. Bouncing off of this. Wish we would have came and tapped that thing. But ES, we kind of did that on ES, so we're good on that. So what the heck do we do? Relax. Relax. Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero. Hope everybody's day's going good. Your morning's going good. Whatever time it is over there. Hope you're doing good. So let's keep getting it, man. Let's keep getting it. And getting it is just being patient. Sometimes getting it is just being patient, not trading. That's what getting it is sometimes. So let's keep doing that. You feel me? But you just want to kind of see, to get a good idea like what's going to happen. Look at what's being respected and disrespected, okay? We can look at this and be like, look at this one. This got disrespected right here. Because this little fair value gap here got disrespected. King right here, look, boom. Came down, disrespected that. I mean, but then we made a fair value gap. So fair value gaps in any direction show kind of strength, if anything. I mean, so that looked like it's strength. That looked like it's strength because we're closing below that. But then you have to understand we don't hit this dang order block here. Tapped into that, which was probably like around 50% or something. If we just count from wick to wick. I mean, of the order block, whatever that is. Okay, so we're gonna delete the dang that. So yeah, so came right there in the middle of that, and we bouncing off that. I mean, then we're disrespecting that right now. It's always good to remember, like, what are we doing right now? We're disrespecting that right now. That's what we're doing. See, that was a good close above it right there. Okay, so right here, look at that. Look at that. So right there, let's see this. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's see. Trying to see what news, what happened here, what that was all about. We see the 15 minutes still respecting, right? So that's what we're worried about. What is it? What PD array is it respecting? Order blocks, breaker blocks, fair value gaps, inversion fair value gaps. Okay, that's what we're looking at, and then we get a good idea like what's going on here. Okay, 1 hour, nothing to look at, man. We just bounced that right there. I mean, so everything's getting chopped up right here. This one, freaking 5 minutes getting chopped up. Just letting you know, don't trade me right now. Look at this, still no fair value gaps. Wow, that's gonna be the only fair value gap right there, dude. And it's a unicorn probably with like a 200 freaking tick breaker. Yeah, dang, it's crazy. So yeah, if if you do trade this kind of, when it's like huge like this, man, it's like you need like a size down. You gotta size down. That's why it's good to measure before you even get anything. Like, how much is this gonna be if I have my stop above the breaker or whatever? It'd be 170. Okay, well, man, this is not no 50 tick stop loss. This is a freaking stop loss for real, dude. So, yep. So if it's a big stop loss, you might have to size down. You not might have to. You're gonna have to size down. And then once you tap in here, does that mean we take it because it's going down now? There's no way we take that. I mean, there's no way. Because look, there's no way. Okay. Because look, we're bouncing off for 15 minutes. There's nothing telling us we're going to pass this up yet. There's nothing telling us that right now. Because we're extended. Because we're like expanded off so much. Because we came out so much. That's what that means. We don't know if this thing keep grinding up or not. We don't know. So we're not going to say, oh, it's going to come down. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. We see this passed up 5 minutes and we came back to it and kind of like chilling. I thought it'd be chopped up by now. It's chopped up a little bit, but not no bodies below it to invalidate it yet. Okay, so this would be a change of state delivery on the 1 minute. Let me get that up. This would be a change of state delivery on the 1 minute right here. You mean? So that's what that would be. We did get an expansion move. Boom. Came back up into that. So is this ridiculous? You mean I wouldn't do it? Because look at the freaking stuff right now. I mean, that doesn't mean we can't do it, or we could do it. You mean we could do it? We could do it. Somebody could do that. And then where are you gonna take that to? Where's it coming down to? All the way down here, man? Oh no. But it had to come back up here right now. Boom, you get tapped in right now. And you're just hoping it doesn't come back up here and chop you up like it's been doing. You mean, normally that'd be a good trade to do if it wasn't all doing all this crap right here and doing this. You mean, but we inverted that. So that shows, and we're holding it. That shows upside. We're over here holding that, and it shows upside. We're expanding, that shows upside. So there's no reason. You mean, in a normal day, that would be a decent little trade. Stop above the breaker right here. You mean, so my breaker. I don't know if anybody says, I don't know like how people use breakers, but that's how I use breakers. It's just this big chunk right here. Boom. It's up, down, up. So this little from this up and this down. The top of that up. I mean the wick. That's what I use. Because I see that. That's what I've seen that works. I don't know who's trading this price action, but I would not. You mean this is gambling right now? This is crazy right now. Unless you're holding something for a long time. So. Okay, and then we're going down over here on ES. On ES right now, okay, so which is I kind of use them together. ES and MNQ. Okay, this is NASDAQ, and I use ES, which is ES 500, S&P 500, ES 500, ES. So right now on ES we hit a 15 minute, so we're bouncing on a 15 minute on ES. So kind of like this, but we're bouncing. We just hit a 15 minute right now on ES. So what one market does on the ES, it might do on the other one. They work together. I mean, so one does one on the other. If something happens on the ES, and it's showing bullish signal, then it's like an NQ is like we might be showing bullish signal as well. Okay, so that's all that is. Yeah, that previous day high looks good, man. What time is it? So the 1 hour is about to close then. So it's 10 o'clock. 1 hour is about to close. And what's that thing gonna look like? It's gonna have a fair value gap right there. So we'll wait to market, but we'll mark it. We'll see what happens. 1 hour. 22, 21, 20. Let's see what happens. See if it's gonna dump or what. So just looking at this, what's they're respecting? You know what I mean? They're respecting that. I mean, kind of respecting this little order block. So to tell you the truth, your stop wouldn't have to be up there. But for mine, I would put it on by the breaker. And we close below the 5 minutes. So that's forget that thing. You mean we don't need that no more. We done created that. So yeah, look. Now we're gonna come down here, create a 1 hour, 15 minutes. What happened on the 15 minute? We're still chilling. I mean, we're still chilling on the 15 minute. Now we're gonna hit this 1 minute. Still think if we come down, that doesn't matter. I mean, I don't think that matters as much. I don't think that matters that much. I don't think it's gonna bow. I don't think it's gonna do that right now. It's like in the middle of the range. It might because it's in the middle of the range actually, but yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna more likely to go down. We'll see. So we're gonna do that again. So let's start right here. Come up there. This is range. 5 minute, 15 minute got range too, up and down. We're gonna do OT 50%. So we hit 50%. Boom. Okay. We'll just see what happens. That's all we're doing. See what happens. That's all. When it's choppy like this, man, it's better to stay out. We done took that low out. Is there any more lows? We got this one low right here. Equal lows too, actually. So that'd be like a really good on a normal day to take you off your risk. You mean? So we took that low out. Probably put it like put it right there. If normal day, when I'm not in the trade, you would be able to see if I was in the trade, because I would show you if I was in the trade. It just I'm hands off right now. I don't want to mess with it. I don't like this price action, so I don't have to trade it. You know what I mean? I choose to stay out because we're showing bears, bullish confluence today. But it doesn't mean we're not about due for a pullback. It's just yeah, I'm not gonna do that until something starts setting up and things are starting to get respected and I understand things are getting respected or whatever. Until then, I don't know. We got a little 5 minute right there too, so let's go ahead and mark that bad boy right there. 5 minute. We'll just mark it. See what happens here. Okay. So this is a fair value gap with this little breaker here. Okay, so we're going down. The opposite is some two green ones. We're respecting that. That's showing bearish. I mean, it's showing bearish right now on the 1 minute. Okay, are we past any 15 minute up? Not yet. 5 minute. We didn't even pass the change state delivery of it. I mean, so this little point right here yet, which that would be good if we did. Okay, right there. And that'll let us know. I mean, something's going on. So right now, if it takes out this low right here, it would be break even. That's it. And we're done on that. I mean, so win or lose, it doesn't win or break even. If that was a normal day, if it was a normal day, okay. But yeah, and it wouldn't be break even. Probably a little bit in profit, right above these 2 wicks right there. So boom, right there. This is where the entry would have been right here at this change state delivery. Started off with the stop loss up here. Boom. Entry here. Stop loss there by this little chunk right here. Breaker, whatever. We'll just call it a chunk. Right here, breaker, boom, come up, down, come up. And we're looking for like 2 to 1 and see what's around there. 1.5 to 2 to 1, see what's up over that. And we just took out that liquidity there too, those equal lows. So definitely would be break even. We just passed this 1 minute up too, so showing a little bearish going on here. So it wasn't so choppy, I would have got in it, but just was not the best conditions right now for me to be trading. It's not really about if you win or lose, or it doesn't matter as much as did you stick to your rules. Is this something you can do for a long time? I mean, can I see this price action and still trade? Right? If I see this price action and I still trade, is that gonna help me in the long term? Can I see myself doing that when I'm successful? And if that answer is no, then I need to step back and realize that this is not gonna help me, and I can't do this like this. So I need to just practice building good habits. It's the best thing. I mean, practice building good habits. And if I could see this, I'm like, yeah, I don't like this, especially all this. This up to kind of now, kind of like respect this a little bit right here. But all this up to now, to right here somewhere, and be like, oh yeah, I want to trade this. Heck, freaking no, I don't want to trade this, man. Why do I want to trade this? And if I could build a good habit of like, yeah, I'm not gonna trade it, and that's good. I mean, that's something I could build upon and do that for the rest of my life. I'm being real picky about what I do. I could do that. I mean, I can do that for the rest of my life. But can I see this trade and be like, yeah, I'm gonna do that for the rest of my life? And then, so what am I gonna be doing? I mean, when I'm successful, you think and I see this, I'm gonna trade it? There's no way. I mean, I don't need to focus on making money. I need to focus on building good habits, and that's not a good habit to trade when it's not a good setup, not good price action. Fair value gaps, no fair value gaps hardly. For the first, what we opened right here. No fair value gap, no fair value gap, no fair value gap, no fair value gap. Choppy, 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 choppy. First one right there. Going to the downside, which what I said shows strength. It shows strength, okay? It's a possibility of strength. I mean it's gonna go there, just possibility of strength. This 5 minute, boom, it came down, shows possibility of strength. Possibility of strength. Doesn't mean it's gonna do that. I don't know. It's a possibility that it could be strength. So if you ever see any big move, if you see a big move, there's fair value gaps in that move. So I want to see fair value gaps, and I want to see them get respected. I mean, so they see that one, they got respected. This one, it did not get respected. So that was like, what the heck is that? So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna anticipate it's gonna go down. Or it's gonna go up. I mean, I'm gonna do what it shows me it wants me to do. So this would be right here would be that would be it right there. I mean, right there would be where I get out. Right there. Okay. Or it stops me at a break even, which I'm cool with either way. Either way. On a normal day. You mean, like, you gotta be cool with it either way. You get what you're supposed to get, or you don't. You mean, so this right here would be with our normal, with our beginning stop loss. So the beginning was, has to be a freaking, look at that huge stop loss. 165, so that's 2. I mean, we could do 0.95 is what I've been liking lately because we're getting so close to my thing. 0.195, see what's down there. Yeah, we're good. You mean, really good. So, but I'm expecting it right here because I've seen how it's falling through. Am I gonna chase it and be like, okay, I'm gonna get in it now? There's no need to right now. I mean, it already did the move, and I'm happy that I stuck to my guns and did what I was supposed to do. Right. So I'm looking over here. If there's anything that's kind of should stop it or not. I mean, I don't see anything that should stop it right now, except the 0.705 of the range. That's all I see. That's all I see that should stop. That might have a little hiccup here, maybe. I don't know. 0.705. Let's see here. Look at the 1 hour. So yeah. That's just how it is. But yeah, it's good. At least it was a good read. You mean, that was a good read and a good strategy that I'm trying to show y'all. If y'all can learn the strategy, man, it'll change your life. It'll change your life. It'll change your life. So we see that went up, boom, came down with expansion move. So every time I want to get in, anyway, I go. No matter if it's short or long, or it doesn't matter, short or long or whatever. Okay, I want to see an expansion move towards that direction. Okay, so if I see an expansion move towards that direction, preferably with a fair value gap, that'd be the best. Usually it needs to have fair value gap. If I see that move with the expansion, like just a good boom. Anyway, and I see a fair value gap usually be better. Then I want to get in that. You mean then it's letting me know it wants to go there. Okay, if I see this, I'm like looking for a down move, and I see this right there. I might not want to go down right away. It doesn't seem like it. And then if it does expand and then it comes right back up like that and it creates a body like that, and it comes way the heck up here. Yeah, no, like that. Boom, and it held it. Boom, let me know. You mean? Then it came down here, change of state delivery. You mean? So we're going up, black, up, black. It could be up, black, okay, then that means uptrend. Once we come past this right here, boom, this one right here, strong one, lets us know we want to go down, and then this is more, it's letting us know we might want to go down. So that's why we mark that. Okay, take this out. We mark that. Boom. Okay, we come under it, come back to it. We get in. Stop loss above the breaker here. The last little boom, boom, boom. That part, okay, which happens to be above the fair value gap. If there's a fair value gap over here, or reversion, or fair value gap or something, and so let's say it's a little higher or something, we might put it a little higher to cover that fair value gap. But we're good. Both of them did the same thing. Came up, we're good. So either way, we tapped into there, came back, and then boom, and then we dropped. You mean then we hit TP. About to hit TP. You mean, so stop loss could be break even right now. I'd put it above this right now. But we're about to get it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Boom. So we're done right there. So that's TP hit. Boom. So that's that little trade model that I did right there. Okay. So that's that part. But you can see where I got my idea from on a normal day, and it's coming off of the fact that we came out this 1 hour here, and we're seeing like a little drop, and also that we came up past this up, showing strength towards the upside, but we passed it up going downside now. Okay, so that right there is kind of letting you know, okay, yeah, 'cause that's the candle here on on the 5 minute right here. So at that point, we're here. I mean, that's when we kind of dropped right there. So 9:55, boom, new candle starts. You're right, but we're freaking closing this mug. Boom, we came up. Yeah, we're gonna get in this freaking thing and we're gonna take it down. So that's that move. Hope that helps you. It's simple, man. It's simple. Just learn it. Look at it. Read charts. Understand it. It'll help you out a lot. Now we're at midnight open. We usually have a little reaction on midnight open. We'll see if this is the same. See if we get the same reaction. We'll just see what happens here. Looks like we might close past this 1 hour right there. So let's leave that up real quick. So the entry was there. Would have been the biggest stop loss in history, but right there, take profit wherever the heck that was. I think it was right there somewhere. Yeah, that would have been the trade right there. And then yeah, you could take it all the way to what, this one right here. I mean, this one right there. That's like the end. That's like the freaking where you want to get it. But I don't ever try to go to the tip of this freaking thing. Always have it a little bit up here, take profit, because it might create an equal low. And then what? I mean, then it comes back up, or just barely almost gets it and goes up, and then you're freaking stuck in your position and it comes all the way back on you. So instead of getting that a little bit more, have it close to it, not too dang close, right? Not like, oh, I'm gonna have it right here. Or like right here, right here, right here. No, have it like right here. Have it like right here, and then you're good. I mean, a little bit doesn't matter. It has to be good. Unless they're showing some strong, whatever, like some strong confluence on the higher time frame. But either way, I wouldn't. I'll just get it a little bit, be done with it. Be done with it. I mean, that's it. Because I've seen it too many times get close to it and it's freaking reverse. I mean, and I don't want that to happen to you. So get out when if you get close enough. That's it. So if you have any questions or anything, y'all let me know. Just let me know if you have any questions or anything. Let me know in the comments, whatever. If you're watching after the fact, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything, or like give me any help with anything. Let me know. Now we took out that Asia low. Took out the Asia low, going to the opening price. Which means in my head, when we're at opening price, the daily candle is turning from green to red to green to red. But right here, green, red, green, red. Above this line is green, below is red. And to tell you the truth, we did not have a wick on the daily. We did not have a wick on the daily. So let's see, or like so dang small, you can hardly see that anything. I mean, the smallest wick in the world, right there. I mean, so. And there's that little gap there too, the little gap there. So it's probably good that it's gonna come down here and create a wick and freaking at least cover that up. I mean, but yeah. How many points is that? Asia low, 555. Dang, yeah. Opening price. Been there 600. Yeah. So, but either way, you can see how we waited for it to show us with the expansion move. Boom, chain of state delivery. Even if you would have got in on this change delivery, boom, but there's not no clear stop loss there unless you use that one. But that'd be even bigger stop loss. So that's the first change delivery with the good transition right there, boom, boom, up, boom. So that'd been the one. So right now we're waiting for price action to form some stuff so we can see what's up. If I learned anything, man, leave a like on this video. If you learned anything, I'd appreciate it. This is my second live stream, and I'm just trying to help you the way I would have wanted to be helped when I first started. Cause it took me a lot of going through a lot of different things to finally get to the position where I feel like I'm actually doing something. Because currently, at that point, it was like, man, like I'm not even doing anything. You know what I mean? It's like trying different things, trying supply and demand, trying all those different things, and it's like, man, it's so like so vague to say in this range we go down. So when the heck do we get in? I mean, right here is a specific point when to get in, a specific point to put your stop loss. Specific points, okay, that we're targeting. Everything else, so ICT, this concepts to breakers and change state deliveries, fair rate gaps, and all that. It's kind of helped me a lot. Right after I learned it, I got profitable. So it's trying to help you out, help everyone out. Got 5 minutes here, creating fair rate gaps in this thing. Create a multiple over here. Yeah. We're going, bud. We're going. We're going. Okay, so that's where I got to do. 1 hour for break up there. Emma. And we have 1:15 one right here, something, man. Doesn't look too bad, to the truth. I like 15 minutes for guys for reversals. So, but we let price action kind of show us what's up. That was the only kind of thing right there. On a normal day would have worked out, but man, I've tried to practice good habits. Good habits. You have good habits, man, the profits will come. If you have good habits, profits will come. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. So this one's invalidated. Once we go past it and then come back past it, we can't go past it both ways. I mean, you gotta only go past it one way. in order for it to be considered still usable, in my opinion. So, in what I've seen. So yeah. Let's look at something real quick. Let's go over here to the 1 hour. Boom. Let's see. Let's look for a good swing point. Okay, so let's take this fib off since we're already gonna pass that up anyways. So now let's see a good range. Okay, so this is the biggest freaking, this is a huge freaking range right now. So 50% of that looks like about right here somewhere. Which, could we go down there? Possibly, I don't know. Possibly. Is it likely? It's not as likely, but look at that freaking 1 hour. You know what I mean? So, who knows? Who knows? So what we can do at least, so we don't have to have, so we can just see from the top of there to the bottom of here, that range. All we want is 50%. That's all we want. That's all I want. I mean, 50%. We'll just see what's up. I mean, ain't we're gonna come down there, have a lot of time to even wait for a trade. We're just looking. That's all we're doing. I mean, that's all I'm doing. So we'll see what's up. Could use that too. So let's see. We're in 50% of this range. There's little kind of, we did take out some lows right here on this little swing point and that one too. So nothing crazy, but yeah, I mean, we'll count that as something. Okay, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. See what happens. Let's go back to the 15-minute over here on this one though. Let's see. Still bounce off that 15-minute. The next 15-minute is ain't freaking here. There ain't no other 15-minute. You mean? So if we go down, we might freaking just dump like ridiculously. So expecting a good little bounce. See what happens. But yeah, if I were to give y'all some advice, it's just practice discipline, man, in everyday life. If you want to be good at trading, practice discipline on everyday life, dude. In everyday life, just everything you do. Get your body right, get your mind right, get your health right. It'll follow suit to your trading. So there's like I love those trades coming off a 15-minute. Okay, I love those trades. So if we get an expansion move here, it's possible we can keep going up and at least come to this 5-minute here, which will be enough for me. Right? So we will see. We will see. So the move would look something like up, change state delivery back here, and then this we're gonna up, and so see what happens. I don't know, but we're gonna let it come to us. That's what we're gonna do. I'll be right back. Please restroom. Okay. Still chilling here. Still chilling here. Let's see what we got going. Man. Yeah, man. To tell the truth, looks like I might just freaking go. We'll see. We'll see what happens, man. We're about to close past this 15-minute. We'll see. Are we? I don't know. Let's see what's up. This is what, if it was to happen, may get in. But now, this will be here. Probably. Most likely, yeah. So. We're at 50% too of that little range. So I'm looking for the tallest one. So that's the tallest one right there. Okay, let's see what's up. This thing's going, dude. Nothing. So we're chilling. We're chilling hard right now. Best thing to do, man, chill. bro. We're going. We're dumping, bro. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. That might be it for the day, everybody. That might be it for the day. We're gonna see what else we can get. But that might be it for the day. You mean, I hope you learned something. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But man, if we close below this, I don't know. I really don't have to wait around, to the truth. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll just wait a little bit, see what happens. We'll see. Yep, close past the 15-minute. In the process, making a big old gap right there. Okay. Take out Asia low. Take out the settlement. I don't need that anymore. We'll see what's up. See what's up, man. Let's see what's up with this, man. Since we're just waiting, right? Just wait and see what's up. Let's see what's up with this. Play a quick game real quick. See what happens here. Play a quick game. Let's see what's up. Not the best, but we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. This thing going down, dude. How the heck didn't I see that? Never played on a computer before. Let's see. Literally nothing going on right here, man. Yeah. Getting something. Kind of like this right here. I don't know, man. We get past a 5 and a 15 freaking out, dude. Let's see here. because we're close to 0.7. We're at 0.622, so that wouldn't be a horrible entry. It would not be that horrible. I mean, right there. Stop loss right there. Getting like right there, but man, there's no like. We could go back right to that freaking 15 minute. Dang it, dude, what the flip? Alright, anyways. There's no freaking reason, dude. Let me see, 1 hour. Well, 1 hour. We still came back right here, though, anyways, so. We'll see here. Convinced for a long right now to go back into here. Just go back into there. Am I convinced? Stop loss is smaller, no, dude, to the truth. Stop loss is smaller, no. Small enough, I don't know, man. See what's up. Let's see what's up. Right there. We're doing what we're supposed to do here, bud. Whatever happens, happens. Okay? That's what we're doing here. Be right there. It's supposed to be way the heck up here. What the heck? Why does it look so freaking weird? We're just looking for a pullback, pushback into right here. That's what I'm looking for. Or somewhere right there. We're gonna cancel that. But right here is where I'm looking for, anyways. I mean, either way it goes. I took the risk. Didn't look half bad. That's that. I mean, I don't want to be in it no more. That's that. 86, not too bad, nothing crazy. I thought it looked okay, even though we're coming in the 5 minute. We didn't even hit the 15 minute. I was thinking we better come in here into this 15 minute here, and at least come in here. Was what I was thinking. But once we take that breaker out, usually we're done. I mean, like, you don't even be in there. You don't have a way to heck over here, in my opinion. So we're limiting our risk. It's a small stop loss compared to everything else. Look how small that is compared to. I mean, was that 83 compared to like where it could go? You know what I'm saying? With like this move right here, like that. So it's like, yeah. So yeah. seemed like a good move to me. So just because if our stop loss was 86, but the moves, man, that's our freaking 300. You know what I'm saying? And more than that, 400. That's nothing. I mean, that's nothing. 80 is it nothing? Because if we would have got a push, and it easily would have came to 200, right? So just the risk management is the most important, and making sure that's on. Like you got that going down. Risk management's good. So. The reason I took it is just because the breaker was so small. You know what I mean? So the change state delivery to the end of the breaker is 86. That's small. You know what I mean? Every other breaker, let's look at this little breaker here, is 104. Or let's see, about 104. So, and that's a smaller one in this price section here. So we see a little order block here being 150. I mean, that's just one candle, 150 candle, right? So 150 candles, and our stop loss is only whatever, 80 something, 86, whatever it is. That's good, and that's why I took that, because the risk was small, and the probability of it going up into this 15, I thought was good. I mean, coming up in there, okay, or at least come in here. At least something come up in here, something, right? And that'd been my take profit, like up in here. If we would just close this 15-minute right here, that'd been take profit right there. Most of it, at least. Yeah. So not even right there, 160 something, 1 to 2. So why not? I mean, when the stop loss is so short, why not? When that's so little, and it has potential to go up even higher, easily. Why not? You understand? So that's the most important. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up right now. We saw that one trade that would have been a winner there. Normal day would have been, how much was that thing? 166. So let's say almost 400. It'd have been like 3 something, 1 or 2. So 1.9, somewhere around there. But I would have really wanted to come down here. Would have took at least like right here somewhere. 360, whatever it is. I mean, 1 point, whatever it is, right? So that's 350 right there. If we would have lost that one, which normally one and done for me, if we would have lost that one, then and we'd have done this one, that would have lost 86. We've still been up 300 ticks, or about 250 ticks at least. So yeah, just keep on keep on grinding. Hope you learned a thing or two. I'll be back here. I'm gonna do this every single day. So if you could join me live, if you're watching this after the fact, join me live, and you can ask your questions or whatever. I trade ICT, and I'm super patient. So just let me know if you have any questions. Hit like or subscribe or whatever, and just join me after the fact. Join me after on live, when I'm live every day, every morning, 8:30 Central Time. I should be live by then. Just let me know if you have any questions. Talk to y'all later.